just arrived at Virgin Island.
Welcome to
Balicasag. Thanks so much. Cheers. Thank you.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted.
I just saw a massive, huge turtle right beside the boat in the water, like right down there. Huge. It was like the entire size of the body was just, I think, a little shorter than me. So cool. It's like a whitish colour.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is
You know, when I come to the Philippines, like, it's this experience, this particular experience that I really, really come for is the snorkeling. It's, for me, the pinnacle, the best part of the trip. The water here is really shallow and it's crystal clear. You can see so clearly down all the way through to the stones at the bottom.
yeah. We go there first in the. We go first in the restaurant. Briefing first. Okay. After briefing. No. Okay, go.
We need to go to a bamboo restaurant. Here you can buy like little plastic protectors for your phones that when you're so that when you're snorkeling you can just protect your phone. I noticed that back there some of the people are actually eating, so some packages will include food. Over there?
Wow, Brian.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
From South Korea.
안녕하세요.
Oh, how can?
제 이름은 나타샤입니다.
Oh, you can speak Korean well.
Oh no, only tiny, 조금. What is your name?
My name is David.
David. Your English name? Natasha.
Yes, Natasha. Nice to meet you.
David. I'm trying my GoPro for the first time in water.
Oh. Why don't you put in the water?
Okay, I'm gonna put it. All right, David. Yes! Woo! I need a high five. Another high five. Yeah! My GoPro has been baptized. What I should have is a waterproof bag. Look what I have. I have a cotton bag that absorbs water.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Balicasag.
Now we're going to try and find some turtles.
Over there.
Oh. We're back on the boat and the water is nearly out of my eyes. David's had an issue because his bag actually leaked and his phone is not switching on now. So it goes to show you that sometimes you think those little plastic bags are going to keep your phone safe, but they may not necessarily. It's a gamble. Yeah. Don't trust it.
Welcome to.
Hang on, it didn't video yet. One more time.
Yeah. Welcome to
Balicasag. We're off to Virgin Island. If I remember correctly, it's the place where you've got like gorgeous, gorgeous emerald blue waters with little huts where you can like eat food there, drink coconut juice, and vendors will try to sell you pearls. It's gorgeous and I'm excited to get there. So we're headed away from Balicasag Island and next stop is Virgin Island. I believe that's the last stop of our tour today. Sorry? Which country? England.
England.
Yeah.
Very far, no?
Harro?
Very far.
And you are from the Philippines? Philippines, yeah.
Bohol.
And this is your family, right? Yeah.
Mother.
Is she having a good time? She's having a good time? That's good. Good. And she was snorkeling? She was snorkeling? Good. Yeah. A while ago. It's probably been about a 30-minute boat ride or so, possibly even 40 minutes, and now we've just arrived at Virgin Island. It's interesting because the boat had to navigate through some really shallow water. We had to slow down at certain points where it looked like there was like perhaps 4 feet of depth, and then some bits got deeper after the fact and then shallow again, but we're finally here. Hi. You pass me my white bag. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, this is the beautiful Virgin Island. It's stunning here. It's very quiet and peaceful. There's squid that you can buy freshly skewered and barbecued. There is beer here. There is fresh coconuts. It's wonderful and it's so peaceful.